Just thinking you guys like to see a little bit of our work in progress. We got a vanity, master bath. Look at this shower. It is phenomenal. Valves are going to be going there. You got a shampoo recess here. Look right down there. Our carpenter framed a footrest. So that is there so that the homeowner can put her foot in there to shave her legs. Look at the towel on the floor in the back of the shampoo recess. This is a really nice, beautiful towel layout. Got the pattern towel on the floor here, mosaic on the shower floor, footrest so you can shave your legs, and nice shampoo recess there. So we're at the stage where we're waiting for countertops. These tops over here also, the cap on this wall and the curb and the windowsill behind me, that's all gonna get same countertop as the vanity over here. And I'll be giving you guys an update when we get this job completed. Bath and Kitchen Gallery.